If you're a fan of homemade French fries, then having a high-quality French fry cutter is essential. Not only does it save you time and effort, but it also ensures that your fries are evenly cut and crispy. But with so many options on the market, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best French fry cutters you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Number 5. Sopito Electric French Fry Cutter. Introducing the Sopito Electric French Fry Cutter, the perfect addition to your home or commercial kitchen. Say goodbye to the hassle of cutting potatoes by hand with this efficient and reliable electric cutter. Equipped with sharp and durable blades made of premium stainless steel, this cutter can easily slice any raw potato into 1/2-inch chips in no time. With a 2-button controller located on the top, the cutting process is effortless, simple, and safe to use. Cleaning this cutter is a breeze, thanks to its detachable cutting blade, which can be easily disassembled and cleaned with a soft cloth and water. Plus, it's affordable at just $139, making it a smart investment for anyone who wants to save time and effort in the kitchen. Upgrade your kitchen today with the Sopito Electric French Fry Cutter. Number 4. Houssem Commercial Vegetable Chopper. The ultimate kitchen tool for effortlessly chopping vegetables and fruits with precision. With its 2 interchangeable blades, you can perfectly cut 1/4 inch or 3/8 inch fries, as well as use the 6-wedge slicer and 6-wedge apple corer to create uniform wedges in seconds. Built with durability in mind, the Houssem Commercial Vegetable Chopper is both easy to transport and easy to clean with its direct water rinse feature. The comfortable humanized designed long arm lever handle ensures a comfortable grip while cutting, making it the perfect tool for both home and commercial use. Invest in the Houssem Commercial Vegetable Chopper today for just $89. Number 3. Anatole Commercial French Fry Cutter. The Anatole Commercial French Fry Cutter is the perfect tool for cutting potatoes, carrots, cucumbers, and onions into French fries or wedges. With its 4 blades of 1/2, 3/8, 1/4, and 8 wedge, you can easily make the exact size you need, with no metal shards falling into your food. The cutter is made of high-quality stainless steel blades and an aluminum alloy body for durability and rust resistance. The extended handle provides extra leverage, and the suction cups keep it securely fixed on the table for increased stability. It is easy to clean and maintain with the 2 included cleaning brushes. This cutter is perfect for fast food restaurants, pizzerias, restaurants, and food processing plants, as well as for large batches in the home kitchen. With all these features and more, you won't regret this purchase at just $119. Number 2. Geedel French Fry Cutter. Geedel French Fry Cutter is the perfect tool for anyone who loves to eat fries. It's designed with 2 ultra-sharp 420-grade hardened surgical durable stainless steel blades that can cut potatoes in just 1 second. Plus, the container makes meal preparation less messy. Made from the highest food-grade ABS without BPA material, the fry cutter ensures your food is always safe and healthy. Plus, it's more than just a fry cutter. Use the fry blade and wedge blade to quickly cut apples and other fruits into 8 pieces. Cleaning the fry cutter is easy too. With fewer parts, you can disassemble and clean up food residue easily with the free brush. And you can even wash it under running water or in the dishwasher. Geedel French Fry Cutter is the perfect tool for delicious fries and fruits. And it's available now for just $27. Number 1. Pop AirFry Mate French Fry Cutter. Introducing the Pop AirFry Mate French Fry Cutter, the perfect cooking companion for all your deep frying and air frying needs. This premium quality cutter is made of durable stainless steel and comes with 2 interchangeable blades that easily cut 1/2 thick or 3/8 thin 3-inch long pieces of fries and other vegetables like carrots, onions, zucchinis, and cucumbers. The heavy-duty pull-down lever firmly presses your potato through the sharp blades, and its sturdy legs and suction cup base gives you optimal leverage while cutting. Plus, the locking systems ensure that the blades don't move while cutting for a consistent cut. This French fry cutter is perfect for both home cooks and professional chefs because of its compact size, 10 inches by 5 inches, and easy-to-clean design. All of its parts are dishwasher safe and can also be quickly washed with soap and water. And don't worry about oversized fries. This cutter prepares fries at a perfect length for deep fryers and air fryers. Make restaurant-quality fries right at home and make the cooking process easier with the Pop AirFry Mate French Fry Cutter. Get yours today for just $39.